go, go. We got the locals distracted a sec. Go now, advise, go now. Over.
I didn't understand what you said.
Go! Shoot him!
Take him down! Watch it!
Cover, cover, cover! Perimeter! Now! Someone take that tower! Someone take the tower! Get a fucking look! Here they come! Right there, lads. Get him in, get him in! Get him in! Right, we're off! On Joyce! On Joyce! Right.
Take the car!
Move, move! Go, go, go!
Move the car! Move the car! Move the car! Move the car! Move the car!
We're going in? We hit him, we got the guy, let's go.
Yeah, let's fucking go! Let's whip round now, come on! You up? Up! Remote that! Remote that! ID there! ID there! There!
All we got to do is get back to the boat.
Come on in! Keep an eye out for IDs, I got red lights on them, yeah?
Luke, please swim.
Right, everybody just keep inside the boat, don't sit on the side, and we shouldn't have a problem. Andy, just cast shoulder Luke for him.
Come on, then. You've got to go in with him. It's a spot on first and just go in.